Hello, my name is Muhammad Rafi Ridal Syawal, and I'm here with my colleagues Rida Hudaya, Trisno Yuwono Putro, and Julian Harith Albani Hudaya. We organize a research team at Polytechnic Negeri Bandung. It's a pleasure for us to submit our paper titled Ridam Signal Signalization Management of Command Response Data Status using Raw Index Data Access Metric Technique. Okay, let's talk about why we are performing this research. Network control systems is the one of the study fields being researched in Polytechnic Negeri Bandung's Control and Instrumentation System Laboratory, which is part of the Electrical Engineering Department. We have also conducted the research in rural regions for NCS applications as illustrated in the slideshow. There are several sensors located distant from the central control room or CCR. Numerous signals from this field will enter and leave the CCR. There are several forms of signals which might be homogeneous or heterogeneous. In programming theory, the sequential placement of variables in a programming system correlates to their ordered arrangement in memory. This sequential structure can be used as a metric numbering system. The Ridam algorithm takes use of this consistency to improve signal management. This concept is founded on the realization that arrangement of rows in a programming environment correlates to the order of places in the memory systems. When the software inserts or deletes a row, a corresponding shift occurs in the memory system. This connection suggests a potential method for creating a dynamic signals numbering systems. Such a method would eliminate the requirement for constant recalculation of variable position inside a program in respect to the signals that correspond to those variables. We can divide these numerous signals into seven groups, such as group of common-only digital signals, group of status-only digital signals, and so on. Rida Hudaya designed this approach to handle signal entry and egress via the controller port. First, we consider the Ridam matrices equation. Various forms of data are stored in a matrix to create an array. This matrix data is obtained from the input part variable and then transferred to the memory array that corresponds to the data type. After that, it will be picked and the input data will be loaded into a memory to perform a procedure or function that is suitable to become a command. Second, we have software ways for channeling signals code and data in order to accomplish certain functions or procedures. Signal signalization application organize or arrange signals in the first form, which may be detected in input based on function or method. Function and procedure signalization application permit the data function codes and processes will be accumulated and may be run using the raw index form. And finally, it describes the hardware used in the controller. The number of signals indicates the quantity of incoming signals. Response time is the amount of time it takes for the output signals to react to the input. We could see the graph on the presentation clearly exhibits linear or proportional. This demonstrates that the output signal's response is precisely proportional to the quantity of input signals. This research demonstrates that utilizing the Ridam algorithm reduces the time required to design, implement, maintain, and repair both homogeneous and heterogeneous signals. The response time of algorithm correlates directly with the quantity of the signals being managed. Consequently, integrating this approach into a control system is straightforward and efficient. In this research, We employ 10 references, some of which are earlier studies using Ridam techniques. The Ridam approach allows us to analyze and handle signals of various data kinds, as well as execute input data to generate commands. Appreciation to P3M Politeknik Negeri Bandung for providing the chance to conduct research under the 2024 Applied Research SAM, which intends to investigate the RIDAM technology in variety of field application. Thank you to the reviewers and audience for attending to our presentation.